Today, we're making a super delicious dish with just 3 main ingredients. Yes, you heard that right. No fancy stuff, no long prep time. Just a simple combo with an amazing taste. If you love easy recipes with minimal ingredients, but maximum flavor, don't miss this video. And at the end, I'll share a special trick to make this dish 10 times more delicious.
Boil the potatoes in hot water for 1 minute before frying, then drain and rinse them with cold water. This is a popular and delicious southern street food that is also very easy to make. It is usually eaten as a sandwich and is called sosis bandori. One of the most interesting experiences I had was trying street food in southern Iran, especially in Bandar Abbas. I had always heard that southern food was full of unique flavors and spices, but when I tried it myself, I realized how incredible it truly was. One of the first dishes I tried was sosis bandori. It's a delicious and spicy sandwich made with sausage, fried onions, tomato paste, and plenty of spices like black and red pepper. When I took the first bite, the combination of spiciness and the smoky flavor of the sausage with the soft bread completely amazed me. Next, I tried southern sambosa, the crispy pastry filled with a spicy mixture of potatoes, vegetables, and special spices was absolutely fantastic. There was a small street shop selling only sambosa and falafel, but the long line showed just how much people loved these snacks. Another amazing experience was bandori-style fried shrimp. The crispy, golden shrimp served with a special spicy sauce was simply delicious. Overall, Bandar's street food is not only delicious, but also packed with unique flavors that everyone should try at least once. Of course, I don't make it very spicy. You can also adjust the spices and pepper according to your taste. Wait, let me take a picture first. Then I'll report this kitchen crime.
Wow! It's still in the pot, but you already know it's going to be delicious.
So, see how easy and delicious that was. Now it's your turn to try it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button so I know to make more like this. And don't forget to subscribe, so you don't miss the next videos. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how it turned out.